HAMACHI-Gbro10 here, and I am going to show you how to get a Bukkit server for 1.6.2. So yeah, first go to the link in the description. And scroll all the way down to alternate method, only for advanced users. I copy all this. Exit that out. Now go to terminal. Now paste. Paste, however you want to. And wait until this loads. And this is by far the easiest way to get a Bukkit server. So this will take a gigabyte of space for your server, and if you do not want that, wait until the end of this video and then keep on watching and I'll show you how. So this is the important part. You need to click enter at this part or it will not work. You need to click enter. Once you click enter, just say that. Now you can click X, Bukkit server, start.command, and if you didn't click enter, you will not get this because you did not follow my instructions. So, now while that's loading, here's how to get plugins on it. As you can see, there's plugins right here, and you might see this. I have a bunch of plugins, if you already do know what they are. So, go to plugins.bukkit.org, that'll also be in the description. And here is a bunch of plugins, and you can like search them. So let's check out this one. So for this one, all you'll need to do is click download. I'm not actually going to use it because I don't need to. Then download, and then you'll get a download. So now that you have that, then you click keep, and then you have yo mode v1.2.jar. So then you just drag it. I don't want to use that one, so I'm not going to do it. And then you go to plugins folder and drag the plugin in, and then that's it. And if you already started your server, then you type in stop and then enter. And never just click this, no matter what. Even if you're closing your server without adding a plugin, always type in stop, or your server could not work anymore. Then you click X, that has a plugin. Then once you click start.command, you should do all this, except for see here, info, I-command-B, loading I-command-B v1.0, and enabling I-command-V1. That added the command. So now, first of all, go to ops.text and add you, or else you won't be able to edit the server and give other people up if you want. Then, if you just click server properties, it will not work. It'll say this. So you right click it, open with, put your mouse over it, and then this will pop up. Other, well, that should pop up. Then do always open with. And you need text edit for this, so if you don't have that, download that now and pause the video. Or anything that you can like edit text with or something. Then open, then you'll see this. So this is where you edit it. For this, you go to System Preferences. And Network. And you see this right here? Right here, this number. Copy it, or you can write it down without the extra dot at the end. And The server will not work if you don't type this, because this is the IP. Paste it. You cannot make the IP anything else. Like, you can't do like mc.something.net or anything like that. It has to be this, because it's a Bukkit server, not a hosted server. So you can edit the build height to 500, or if you don't want a build height, you can just put false. Whitelist false. Yeah. Max players, you can do like 500. What else? And if you want a command block, you can try to do a command block on the server, and then it'll say you need to enable command blocks, and then it'll have an option to do the command block on here, and then you just do true. Mot is what, like, I'll just show you. Gbro10's server. So yeah, then I'll click save. I have that. And you don't need to worry about this stuff. Permissions is just ops. You don't need to mess with that. So yeah, now that we have that, we can start it again. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay. Now, and you can add like a bunch of plugins. You just add them in here. Like you don't have to only have one at a time. You can have a lot. So yeah, then you just do 10.0.1.12, which is mine. Yours will be something different. So you put that in, and now you have op. So like /5. I have this because I did the iCommands mod, and like I have /nhs and everything, because that's just my favorite plugin, so that's why I did it. So yeah, and like you can do this, and if you're not op, I'm not gonna. You're gonna do deop, and if you're not op, you don't have access to all those commands. And yeah, that is the end of the video, guys. Now here's the part where I will show you how to change how much space your server, like if you want to change the server, and like you can do /kick, like I'll kick me. So yeah, and in case you didn't know this, /op and then the player gives them that. I'm not saying you're dumb or an idiot or anything. I'm just saying in case you didn't know. So yeah, and now, yeah, if you do not want to see how to add more space or delete more space, you can just leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, and then exit out the video. Okay, so now stop, because and here you right click start.command, open with text edit or anything that you want. Then you see right here, all you have to worry about is this part right here. I'm even gonna do this so you can see it. Oh, oops, never mind. Okay, well, this part where it says 1.0, here, let me get that out. Okay, so right here where it says 1.0.24, that's a gigabyte. So if you want less, you can just change that to less than that, and it'll be a gigabyte. Or if you want more, you can just add more to it. But I prefer a gigabyte. That's pretty good. And it does take it from your computer, but that's not that much. I mean, like, yeah.